Today, let's start class with a word problem. Example 4 is our first example, and it says the amount of money in Mr. Bean's wallet is $50. Take away $5 for each kid that asks for lunch money. So as we go through the problem, we want to ask ourselves, what is our starting value? And as you can see, we start with $50. And we take away $5 for each kid that asks for lunch money. So our starting value is going to be 50,
Mr. Velez,
and we are going to subtract $5 for each kid. Well, we as students don't want to write for each kid each time we do an equation, so that's why we use a variable. So look at part A, it says define your variables, and we're going to say x equals each kid. So our equation will be y equals our starting value subtracting how much for each kid. So y equals 50 minus 5x. Part B says, how much money does Mr. Bean have if he gave money to all 9 of his children? Well, would we put 9 in for x or for y? 9 is children, and like we said in part A, x is each child. So it would be y is equal to 50 minus 5 times 9. Our order of operations tell us to multiply first, so it'll be 50 minus 45, meaning that Mr. Bean will have $5 left over when he's done. Now let's look at another situation. How many children did Mr. Bean give money to if he has $30 in his wallet? Well, 30 would be what he has left over. So 30 would equal 50 minus 5x. We would subtract 50 on both sides. To get negative 20 is equal to negative 5x. You would divide by negative 5 to get x is equal to 4 students.